Welcome to the third video in our Cloud Computing for Beginners tutorial series. Today, we'll explore the different service models in cloud computing. Let's get started. As cloud computing has grown in popularity, it's become crucial to understand the various models and deployment strategies available. These options offer different levels of control, flexibility, and management, catering to specific user needs. In this video, we'll explore infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, and software as a service, along with deployment strategies, to help you make an informed decision for your specific requirements. The first model is infrastructure as a service. It's a collection of highly scalable and automated compute resources. Infrastructure as a service allows businesses to access and monitor computing, networking, storage, and more on demand, eliminating the need to invest in hardware upfront. Infrastructure as a service is incredibly flexible, offering easy automation for deploying storage, networking, servers, and processing power. It allows hardware purchases based on consumption and gives clients complete control over their infrastructure. Plus, resources can be purchased as needed, making it highly scalable. However, it's important to note that infrastructure as a service shares some limitations with other service models, including concerns about data security, cost overruns, vendor lock-in, and customization issues. Moving on to the second model, platform as a service. This provides cloud components mainly for application development. Developers get a framework to build customized applications while the enterprise or a third-party provider manages the underlying infrastructure. Platform as a service offers advantages like cost-effective app development and deployment, scalability, high availability, easy customization without software maintenance, reduced coding efforts, automated business policies, and smooth migration to hybrid models. Now, let's discuss the most common model, software as a service. This model delivers applications over the internet, managed by a third-party vendor. Software as a service applications run directly through web browsers, requiring no downloads or installations on the client side. Software as a service offers significant time and cost savings for companies by handling tasks like installation, management, and upgrades of software. This allows technical staff to focus on more critical issues within the organization. Now that we've explored the different cloud service models, let's take a closer look at some real-world examples to give you a better understanding of how they're applied in the industry. First up, we have infrastructure as a service. This model provides the fundamental building blocks for your computing needs. Here are some popular examples. Next, let's delve into platform as a service. This model simplifies application development and deployment. Here are some widely recognized names in this category. Finally, we have software as a service. This model offers fully functional applications accessible via the internet. Here are some of the most popular SaaS providers. These examples illustrate how various companies leverage cloud service models to cater to different user needs. Considering these models and architectures, what's the right strategy for your company or the firm you work for? Should you go fully public or keep everything on-premise? Let's discuss this in our next video.